Welcome to Infinity with VJ. In this video, we are going to learn about the chapter Arithmetic Progression. So, this type of question most frequently asking this type of question in exams. So, let us see how we can solve this type of question. So, find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. First, we will write this what they are asking. Find the sum. We want to find the sum. S is equal to how much? They given the hint. What is that? Odd numbers which lies between 0 and 50. So in between 0 and 50, let us start with 1. 1 is an odd number, correct? Next, the odd number is 3. So on. Next is after 3, that is 5. And so on. And 50 is even number. Before 50, that is 49, which is an odd number. So from this, which is in the form of AP, correct? So the difference is fixed number, correct? That's why this is a arithmetic which is in the form of arithmetic progression. So here the first term is 1. The common difference here, that is 2. And the last term, L, that is 49. Find the sum. We want n, correct? We don't know what is that. How many number of terms are present, correct? So let us find first n. That's why an means the last term. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An we know last term, that is 49, is equal to the first term is 1 plus n we want to find, we will write as it is, d is 2. 49 minus 1, that is 48, is equal to n minus 1 into 2. 2 comes to LHS means divided by 2. 48 divided by 2 is equal to n minus 1. It implies 2 2s are 2 24s are 48. When minus 1 comes to LHS, it will become plus 1 is equal to n. That's why there are 25 number of terms are present. Correct? After that, sum. I will write here only. S is equal to directly the simple form. What is that? N by 2 into a plus L. N means we got, that is 25 divided by 2. A means the first term, that is 1. L, the last term, that is 49. 25 divided by 2. 49 plus 1, that is 50. It is 2 ones are 2, 25s are 50. So 25 into 25, nothing but 625. So sum of the odd numbers which are present between 0 and 50, their sum is nothing but 625. Okay, this is most simple, frequently asking in this type of question in the exams. Okay, so this is very easy to solve. Okay, if you have any doubts, please put on comment section. Thank you for watching.